What's going on, YouTube? How's all the beautiful people? Look at her. Got a little short about it, but this is a Predator 8750, 7,000 watt generator. It is 8 years old. They put gas in it when they first got it. Gas and oil, fired it up, make sure it worked, and then it sat for 8 years. In the sun, obviously. You can see there's some sun damage on it. But it just sat outside. Never had a battery put on it. The inside the carburetor looks brand new. The gas tank looks brand new. Had a little bit of sludge in the bottom, not sludge, but just soured fuel from 8 years ago. I pulled the carburetor, cleaned it out. Didn't need to clean it out. There wasn't anything in it. The fuel line was disconnected, like they drained the tank, and it just sat in the sun. Baked on it, but I checked oil in it. It's brand new. It's the original oil from 8 years ago. Everything looks good. I had trouble with the fuel valve flowing enough fuel at first, but you can see, look at the recoil handle, just dirty. I'm in grungy from sitting outside. I haven't even tried to clean on it yet, but I'm certain it'll clean up good. But yeah, I put a battery that I had sitting around. It was still good. Put it on there. So let me show you what she'll do. Gas is on. I did put a fuel filter on there just in case, but the fuel is on. Choke is off. Air filter is good. Oil's full. Come over here. Let's see if it works. Nice little generator for free, huh? All I had to do was purchase this for the money that he wanted, and I told him I'd give him what he wanted for that if he threw that in. He said done. So not too bad. Thank you guys for joining in. Like and sub, and we'll catch you on the next one. We'll be doing a video over this 3-wheeler before long.